From grain to table,
Subscribe for more.
the complete cycle of bread.
Welcome to our State Fat Alti. Today, I'll show you exactly how over 10,000 leaves of bread every single step by step.
Water temperature is critical. We maintain exactly 20 degrees 20 for optimum Celsius.
Before we start production, the team's today's schedule. We're making 12,000 loaves across 8 different varieties,
Now we begin the mixing phase. This industrial mixer holds 500 liters in ingredients with precision.
This is what we're actually creating, a three-dimensional protein network that traps CO2 gas produced by yeast.
The dough now begins its journey through our production line. Conveyor systems transport it carefully.
Fermentation timing is essential. Too short, and we monitor dough, we batch carefully, looking to make sure it's breaking down. Now comes the division process. Using advanced optical scanning and precision cutting, we divide the bulk dough into each dough piece is gently handled in this rotating drum. We carefully release excess gas buildup. This is called punching down or degas to prevent sticking. They're now at the perfect stage for pre-shaping, a process that will organize the internal gas structure. The pre-shaping machines gently form each piece into a rough prush. Each piece is shaped in approximately 20 seconds. The pre-shaped dough now rests and relaxes the dough gluten, making the dough easier to final shape while maintaining its structure. Final shaping is where we create the actual bread form. This machine gently stretches and folds the dough, organizing the gluten. Each shaped loaf is now placed into a banneton proofing vessel. We arrange them by best and tie during final formation. Our final proofing happens in these climate-controlled chambers. We use cool, slow fermentation degrees Celsius. The test dough tells us when each batch will be perfectly ready for scoring and baking, typically when they've risen 50 to 75% and show proper spring back. Perfect. These loaves are now ready for the oven. You can see they've expanded beautifully, their surfaces show character. The perfectly fermented dough is carefully transferred to our scoring station. From this point forward, time is critical. The scoring system is calibrated for precision, create foblet ear development. Here comes the magic moment. As each loaf passes under the scoring blades, we create the signature cut that defines each scored loaf is quickly inspected. If any loaf has defects, set aside for epigemy. Typically, 98% pass first inspection. While loaves are being scored, we prepare our oven to optimal conditions. These deck ovens preheat to 4. Temperature uniformity is critical. All 6 oven zones meet resist of each other to deliver the cruster. Now the critical moment, loading the oven. Each loaf is carefully placed at baking or when maximum oven spring occurs.
By the midpoint of baking, the crust heat spots indicate proper caramelization, complex flavors developing.
In the final stages, the crust hardens while the interior crumb sets. The internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. In the final stages, the crust hardens while the interior crumb sets. The internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The bake is complete. These loaves must cool before slicing. This allows the inward cruft to result in gummy interior texture. Our cooling zone maintains optimal conditions to speed cooling while preventing excessive crust moisture loss. This ensures perfect crust and crumb texture. Every cooled loaf undergoes quality assessment. We check crust quality, color uniformity, scoring clarity, and reach capless. We conduct crumb analysis on sample loaves from everything that have fermentation, proper fermentation time, gluten development, and oven performance. The cooled loaves are now organized for packaging. Each bread type is grouped together to ensure an efficient pack customers. Form 20 millimeter slices. The blade must be razor sharp to prevent tearing delicate crumb structure. Our slicing system processes over 1,000 loaves per hour. Each loaf is sliced 5 seconds and 20 euros slicing. Our packaging system is fully automated. It loads sliced bread into pre-made bags, applies modified atmosphere packaging for traceability. The packaging line operates at impressive speed, one packaged loaf every 3 to 4 seconds. Each package receives protective gas. Labels identify our product and provide complete nutritional and ingredient information. Everything is verified hard to stock no fraction. Every packaged loaf undergoes automated quality inspection. Our cameras verify proper sealing, label accuracy, date coding legibility. Approved packages are organized into shipping cases. Each case is coated with contents, loaves, and for case. Bakeries and completed cases are arranged onto pallets in stable configurations. Each pallet contains approximately 10 to 50 loaves of bread. Completed products are held in a temperature-controlled distribution staging area maintained at 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. Our logistics team coordinates delivery to retail locations across the region. This state-of-the-art loading dock manages approximately. Each truck is optimally loaded. Route software ensures minimum drive time and freshness. This one makes 18 stops in 10 hours. Our distribution fleet departs throughout the day to deliver fresh bread to retail customers across the region. Our distribution fleet departs throughout the day to deliver fresh bread to retail customers across the region. Our first stop of the day, a neighborhood grocery store. The retailer inspects incoming product quality and temperature. We maintain records that vary from bakery to customer hands. At retail locations, our bread takes prominent shelf space. Products are rotated properly. And finally, our bread reaches the customer. Shoppers select from our premium bread selection. They check the baking date, examine the product, and choose bread for their families. From shelf to home, our quality commitment delivers premium artisan bread, fresh in every bite. Crumb structure, texture, flavor, and aroma are the culmination of every step in our production process.
The flavor, aroma, and texture of premium artisan bread create a complete sensory experience. I'll take this one again, please.
Excellent choice. That'll be fresh.
Thank you. It's always perfect.
Customer feedback drives our continuous improvement process. We analyze every data point to ensure we're always exceeding expectations. Great feedback. Let's adjust the proofing process.
We recycle byproducts, compost unsaleable bread, and conserve water and energy.
Our facility recycles byproducts, composts bread, uses recyclable packaging, and conserves water and energy. Our vision for the future includes expanding our craft to new communities. Developing variety remain our guiding principle. From raw flour to satisfied customer, this is the complete bread baking journey at our modern industrial bakery. From raw flour to satisfied customer, this is the complete bread baking journey at our modern industrial bakery. Every single day, this facility produces over 12,000 loaves of premium artisan is impressive, but quality remains our unwavering priority. Safety, hygiene, and professional standards are non-negotiable. Every worker, every process, every surface meets rigorous food safety. Safety, hygiene, and professional standards are non-negotiable. Our certifications and inspections validate our commitment to excellence. Modern technology serves traditional craft. Our equipment investment includes precision mixing, optical scanning, multi-zone. Modern technology serves traditional craft. Our equipment investment includes precision mixing, optical scanning, multi-zone. Our bakery specializes in diverse bread varieties, each with unique fermentation times, hydration levels.
The crust is perfect every time.
Best bread I've ever tasted.
We buy it weekly.
Flavor is incredible.
My family loves it.
We invest significantly in training and development. Certification programs, apprenticeships, and continuing education. Our vision extends beyond this generation. We're committed to training master bakers who will carry this craft forward.